All right, I know everybody's excited for example 3 here, writing a translation rule. So we're going to write a rule for the translation of triangle ABC to triangle A prime B prime C prime. Okay, so we talked about what a vector in component form is. What does a rule for the translation look like? Well, it tells us what we're doing to the x values and the y values in order to get the new image. Okay, so notice it's important. We're translating the object from triangle ABC to A prime B prime C prime. So starting with point A, for example, what do I have to do to get its image A prime? Well, I would have to move 1, 2, 3, 4 to the left and 1 up. So if you look there, I'm moving 4 to the left, so -4 I would say, and up 1. So the horizontal component is 4 to the left, the vertical component is up 1. So the rule that we give for this translation is that we are going to take the x values and subtract 4, and we're going to take the y values and add 1. Now notice all I did it was with A, but it should be the same for every other point. If you look at B, 1, 2, 3, 4 to the left, and 1 up also. And make sure you're going in the correct direction. It says from A to A prime. Start at A, go to A prime. Don't go the opposite direction, okay? Now, let's do example 4 because it's closely related. So now let's do the reverse. Now I'm going to give you an image, and I want you to graph that quadrilateral with these vertices and its image after a translation. So let's start out with -1, 2, there's point A. -1, 5 would be point B, that's up here. Point C is at 4, 6, would be right there. And point D is at 4, 2. So we make ourselves a quadrilateral. A quadrilateral is just a figure with 4 sides. So connect the points to create that figure. And again, I'm a little challenged when it comes to drawing lines straight, but I've done worse than that. So now draw its image if we use the translation rule, x plus 3, y minus 1. Well, that means every point moves 3 to the right and 1 down. So go 1, 2, 3 to the right, 1 down. That would be A prime. Move 3 to the right, 1 down. There's B prime. 3 to the right, 1 down. There's C prime. And 3 to the right, 1 down, we have D prime. So we will get another congruent figure. Remember, congruent means same size and shape. But the figure will have been moved 3 to the right and 1 down. And there we have examples, both example 3 and 4 in one shot.